Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this coffee themed animation in Figma. So let's jump into Figma and get started. Take a coffee bag image, use a pen tool and draw zigzag shape like this. Do same for the other side. Now duplicate the image. Now select each image and the zigzag vector, apply mask. Now you have a nicely splitted coffee bag image. Create a new frame, bring in the large coffee bean and move them to the top. Do the same with the smaller beans. Now bring in the coffee cup. I group the coffee with the circle shape and the steam vector. For steam vector, I use a reference image and trace it with a pen tool. It doesn't need to be perfect. Change the color and reduce the opacity. Now change the circle color to look like an empty cup. Now move the whole cup below the frame. Now bring in the kettle. Reduce the pour line. Set the opacity to 0. Rotate the kettle and move it outside of the frame. Bring in your splitted coffee bag image. Duplicate the frame. Move the split images outside of the frame. Now select the large beans and move them down. Connect the frames using on-click interaction, Smart Animate and slow curve for 1000 ms. Duplicate the frame and move coffee cup and kettle into the frame. Duplicate the frame again. Rotate the kettle. Set the coffee pour opacity to 100 and resize it. Now connect second and third frame using after delay for 1 ms, ease in and out for 600 ms. Connect third and fourth frame using after delay for 1 ms is in out for 1000 ms. Duplicate the frame. Change the color of coffee circle to make the cup look full and increase the opacity of the highlight. And connect the frames. Duplicate the frame. Reduce the size and opacity of the coffee and rotate the kettle back. And make the steam vector visible. And connect the frames. Duplicate the frame once more. Move the kettle out of the frame. Move the cup upwards. And bring in the coffee bean. And finally connect the frames. And that's a wrap for our coffee animation in Figma. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next tutorial. Let me know in the comment what animation you'd like to see next. Until then, keep creating and stay inspired. See you in the next video.